Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your purchase history on the Best Buy app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and check your purchase history on the Best Buy app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Best Buy app. Next, click on the bottom right hand corner where it says your name. And then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says purchases. Click on purchases. So from here, you can see your purchases that you've done in the past 3 years. You can see your services, subscriptions, etc. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your purchase history on the Best Buy app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.